The markets ended the yo-yo week on a sour note, closing down 0.5%. The market has had two positive finishes this week, but the losses have outweighed them. The ASX 200 are raising 140 points since Monday. Across the region, Asian markets are mostly lower, but only seeing modest falls. Commodities have seen choppy trade today, much like the equity markets, but currency trade has been dead. After sharp movements overnight, currency traders are now holding steady ahead of the EU debt meeting on the weekend. There's expected to be a turbulent News Corp AGM tomorrow being held in Los Angeles. At least 5 investor groups from the US alone and 2 proxy advisory firms have called on Mr Murdoch and his 2 sons, James and Lachlan, to step down from the board. The investor groups have been upset by the UK phone hacking scandal and the loss of the BSkyB deal and the Wall Street Journal's latest accusations of artificially boosting circulation figures in Europe by buying its own newspapers. With 40% of the voting rights, the Murdochs will be not voted off the board, but their power should be diminished. And global markets nervously await the outcome of a meeting in Europe on Sunday that's been billed as the meeting to end all debt meetings. Another meeting has been scheduled for next week as well, though, which has thrown doubt into investors' minds. Meanwhile, the Greek Parliament has signed off on the latest package of austerity measures. As a result, EU auditors have been given tentative support for further aid to flow to Greece.